Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is June 17, 22 variant question number 27. Okay, and what is given? A is given this and B is given this, and we have to find A part, find equation of straight line containing AB, but part B, equation of perpendicular bisector. So let's start the 7 mark question. A part is here. So from here today, I'm going to teach you whenever you solving coordinate geometry, and although there's no big task here, but whenever doing coordinate geometry, you try your level best to make a accurate drawing. And not accurate, the sketching is there, but close to accurate. Where is A, student? Look, x0 here, y0, x minus 1, y0, x minus 2, y0. So this point A comes here. And what is B? What is there? X0, Y1, X0, Y2, X0, Y3, X0, Y4, 4, 1, 1, 2, here 4, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4 is here. So this point is B. And if I join them, if I join these 2 points, so you can see that this line passes through A and B. And I believe the point is very, very clear. Okay, hold on. Okay. So this is A and this is a B. And this line he is asking us to find. This is a line, okay? So onwards, how many questions we'll do, inshallah? We'll sketch and do it. Because some questions are very easy, but some questions very tough. All this diagram, examiner has no concern with it, okay? So let's start. First of all, gradient. And I said, whenever you start, do some precautionary measures. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. This is not a compulsory part of question, but if you do it, it's good for us. The chance of mistake reduces. Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. So let's start. Y2 is 4. Y1 is 0. X2 is 0. And X1 is negative 2. So one negative 2 means one negative already available, one negative coming from there. You write like this or you write in bracket, no problem, both are correct. And minus minus plus. So I get gradient very simple and very clear. M is equals to 2. So this is a blue line gradient is coming. Blue line gradient here. Okay. Now what is the method? I think I can write direct answer for 3 marks because this is very prominent. The B coordinate is a 4. This is a 4. So when you know it, the C is 4. So we can say as clear C equals to 4. So no need to work out for C value. So what is answer? Y is equal to mx plus C, and M is 2, C is a 4. But some students say, sir, we are not happy. We please show working. Although in British Council exam, if you show this much, you will get a full marks. But look, for your sake of understanding or for more clarity, I just solve it. And what is that technique? I know that C is 4, but I'm solving it for you. Second method. So what is M? M is 2. I'm copying M. X value, I can take any point from here. Okay, I take this point. So X value is 0. Y value is 4. So 4 is equal to 0 plus C become 4. You saw C become 4. Even you take the other point, students. Look, I show you. Look, I show you. You take 0 in the place of Y and negative 2 in the place of X. So let's see. 0 is equal to negative 4 plus C. Negative 4 goes this side. C again become 4. Same 4. So that is why whenever, students, you see that X is 0 and what the number? For example, X0, Y4 is a 100% C value, or X0, Y6 is a C value. If X0, Y100 is a C value. So whenever X0 comes, the number beside of it always C. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this clarity I think is with you now. So this concept is very clear. So first A part is over. And let's go for B part.
But why didn't use the x minus 1?
I said you, my son, you can use this one Y1 the place here or this one here or to get C value. Or you can use 0 in the place of here and 4 in the place of Y. Answer will come same. We have a 3 choices here. Use this point or use this point or directly get the 4 from here. No need to work out. So this is the way to get answer. Let's go for B part. Find equation of perpendicular bisector of AB. So I will, what is the definition? I will take a scale and I will draw a line which passes through. Okay, first I'll show where is the midpoint. So where is the midpoint? Midpoint, let me find this is a somewhere. How much this gap? Same as this gap. So this point is called midpoint. I take a scale and I draw a line, and this line, you can see a green color line I drew, and I remove scale. And for your knowledge, students, this is a 90 degree here. This is a 90 degrees. Box stand for 90 degree. And this point is called M. M stand for midpoint. And this green line equation is our target. And why is called a perpendicular bisector? Because this gap and this gap equal. That is called bisector. And why is called perpendicular? Because 90 degree. So first of all of you familiar, if blue line gradient is 2, then green line gradient will be negative reciprocal. Look, I show you. If M is 2, actually 2 has nothing under it. If nothing under it, it means M is 2 by 1. And now I will do reciprocal. So this 1 will go up, this 2 will go down, and here we have a plus sign, then here we got a negative sign. So this is called gradient of the green line. So this is process called negative reciprocal. Reciprocal. I hope so you got the point. And now I will use green color gradient, which is this. And I must need M coordinate. I can't use A for green line. Why, sir? A does not lie on B. On the green line. I can't use B for the green line. Why, sir? Because B does not lie on a green line. So I'm looking for the M coordinate. How to get it? So use midpoint formula. Use A and B to get an M coordinate. So let's start midpoint formula. So midpoint formula, midpoint. And midpoint formula, students, you familiar? X is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Same way, y1 plus, like average of two numbers. Average, okay? Like you got in one test 10 marks, second test 12 marks. What is average? Add them, divide by 2, you got 11. This is called average. Same here, average, x1 plus x2. And x1 is negative 2, x2 is 0. So negative 2 plus 0 by 2 is coming x1. So this is a midpoint. And same way, what is y values? Y1 plus y2, so 0 plus 4 divided by 2. And I got y midpoint. So midpoint is very clear, student. X is minus 1, y is 2. But game is over? No. I will use M midpoint and this green line gradient, which is here. So let's start. Use M and use negative half. So let's start. I'm writing here, use M is equals to negative half and use midpoint coordinate 1, 2. So let's start. Formula is y equal to mx plus c. C is missing now. Y is 2, x is minus 1, m is negative half. Okay, so c is become positive half. This goes there, and 2 minus half, it is giving us 2 LCM, 2 to the 4, out of 4, 1 gone, 3 by 2. But this game is not over. Final step I'm writing, M value is negative half, C value is 3 by 2. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I got finally the answer is completely over. And this is my second part. I hope so you got the point of perpendicular bisector.